Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Become a key member of the TWB family by visiting my Redbubble store and ordering your Traveling with Bruce item today. Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got a breaking story here from Galveston and Houston. In the Galveston Bay, we've had a collision between an oil tanker called the Genesis River and a barge filled with 25,000 barrels of refined fuel. This is the oil tanker here. She's 750 feet long at least, and she almost sliced in half a barge carrying the fuel. Here it is right here. You can see that gash right in the middle of it. A second barge apparently turned over and is capsized, and there is an absolute disaster happening in the port of Houston and the Galveston Bay. You can see the fuel spilling out and is now on the surface. It's highly toxic, very smelly, highly flammable, and this is going to be an absolute environmental mess to clean up here. Why do I mention it? The Carnival Vista cruise ship is docked in Galveston right now, trying to offload 3,000 passengers and load up 3,000 more to go on her next sailing, and these folks are experiencing stench like you cannot believe. Residents of Galveston and the Houston area have been told to stay indoors and avoid the odors and avoid the toxic chemicals. Unfortunately, the folks on this cruise ship are not really going to be able to escape it. The hope is that the winds won't bring the heaviest of the smells their way, but this goes to show you what can happen in a high-traffic industrial port like Houston. With all the refineries there, it is an absolute disaster waiting to happen. Good news, though, the ship should get out today without any trouble, hopefully, and the passengers will have a good time, but they're going to have to find a way to get to the ship without experiencing that awful odor that is permeating the air right now. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week, and subscribe today. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.